Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password within your Sololearn account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sololearn application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can directly start learning. Now, if you wish to change the password for your account, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, go ahead and click on Settings, and then click on Change Password. You will now be asked to enter your desired new password right away. Just type in your password that you wish to change into within the password box, and then type in this password once again underneath in order to confirm this new password. Finally, tap on the Save button after entering your desired new password twice, and you may receive a notification within your email to confirm this change. Click on the link within. And now your password has successfully been changed within your Sololearn account. And you will now be able to use this new password in order to log back into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password within your Sololearn account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.